Hi everyone. So in the previous video, I discussed about some issues and some approaches we discussed. Okay, we saw some examples. Now let's move further. Okay, so what we discussed about joint A, what we discussed is joint A, joint B, and then we discussed joint C. I think I stopped at joint C and there I didn't continue. So we'll continue from joint C. Okay, I think this joint C I discussed properly in the last lecture. In case someone has not gone through, now they can go through the previous video of the same series. Joint B, I discussed some of the properties in the last section. Joint A and joint D, I will discuss today. Joint A and joint D, the issues which can be figure it out using matrices approach. See, whatever we are doing is we are trying to see the problem using mathematics. Okay, we are trying to look at the analysis using the matrices and some of the other mathematical concepts. Okay, so let's start our further analysis. Now I'll give you one example. Now suppose one matrix is given whose dimension is 3 cross 3, which is 5 1 2 3 1 2 5 1 2. Okay, now what is the easiest approach? Easiest approach is, now look at the diagonal elements. This is 5 1 and 2. All the diagonal elements are positive in nature. All the diagonal elements are positive in nature. There is exact definite problem with the joint B. This we have already discussed. Okay, correct. Now what is the second example we discussed? What we discussed is, in case I have 3 cross 3, I have the values 5 1 0 in the diagonal elements. This I am not considering since it is 0. Once we figure it out, okay, it is 0, then we need to go for the two step. One is the multiplication and other is the addition. Okay, let's see. This is 5 and 1. Write down in the vertical wise. Write down in the column wise. 5 into 5, 25. 5 into 1, 5. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 1 is 1. Okay. So now add it off. 25, add those terms and write down here, which is 30 and this is 6. Now what is the next step? 30 divided by 6. So it gives remainder equal to 0. Correct? It means it is divisible by 6. Now at this point of time, there may be some issue which is related to joint C. To verify, what we need to do, we need to perform the addition operation. We need to go for addition operation. Again you write down 5 1 5 1. Now let's see, 5 into 5, 5 and 5 is 10, 5 and 1 is 6, 1 and 5 is 6, 1 and 1 is 2. Okay, fine. 16, this is 8, which is 16 divided by 8, which is nothing but 2. Okay, so what here we obtained is 5 and 5 is how much? 5 and 5 is 10, 5 and 1 is 6, 1 and 5 is 6, 1 and 1 is 2. Okay, here I did little mistake. Correct it out. 10 into 6 is 60, 6 into 2 is 12. Please correct this. So this is 60 divided by 12, which is nothing but 5. So again remainder is 0. Again remainder is 0. See, in this case what we are doing is we are performing addition operation, but here we need to perform the multiplication. Okay, that is 10 into 6. Here it is 6 into 2, and then we need to divide it. Okay, what we did in the previous case? In previous case, we multiplied this term and then I multiplied this term. Similarly, here I added up. Here it is add operator. Okay, so this way we have confirmed that in both the cases what we obtained is joint. In both the cases what we obtained R is equal to 0. It indicates it is definitely a joint C issue. Okay, so I hope joint C issue is now confirmed. Joint B is confirmed. Now what about joint D? What about joint D? Now, in case all the elements, diagonal elements are negative, okay, are negative, -3, -2, -7, okay, -3, -2, -7, then it is definitely a joint D approach. But as a gate point of view, they are very much interested in joint C analysis. Okay, they are very much interested in joint C because it has some calculation. I hope this lecture is clear to you. In case you have any questions, anything, okay, anything related to biomedical, feel free to ask in my email ID, or you may write in the comment section. I will definitely help you. Okay, thank you.